Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. It is AB Loves Beauty here, and today we are talking brows, honey. Don't worry, these brows don't look like this 100% of the time. It is a struggle, but I'm going to show you how I do my brows today. All right, stay tuned. Let's get started. As you can see, my eyebrows are balding in some areas due to over plucking throughout the years. All right, I already worked on one side of my brow, and I'm gonna go in and show you guys how I get the other brow to look alike. I start off by brushing my brow hairs in an upward motion with the spoolie so that all the hairs can be even. Next, I'm just taking my razor and cleaning up the area to make sure it's nice and clean. Now I'm just trimming my brows so that they're all an even length. Now I'm just adding some powder to soak in any excess oils. Now I'm just brushing some brow gel through my brows, and this keeps the brows from having any type of flyaways and nicely tamed. Now I'm making sure all the product is distributed evenly by combing my brows with a brow comb. I'm also pinching my brow brush to get nice thin lines. Right now, I'm starting at the end of my brow and forming a line which is going to be the tail end of my brow. So as you can see here, I did make the end of my brow a little thick, and that is because I do not have hair on the end of my brow. So I'm just going in towards the front of my brow and pushing the product through. I'm now going in with more product and just filling in the top of my brow. As you can see, it's coming along here. And any mistakes you make, it's okay. We will clean that up later with concealer. And towards the front, I'm just brushing in an upwards motion. And to blend all the product together, I'm just brushing with my eyebrow brush. And to get that nice hair effect, I'm going in with my spoolie and paying more attention to the front of my brow. Now that that's done, I'm going to show you guys how I clean up my brow. Now I'm just gliding some concealer under my brow, and this is to hide any imperfections and give it more of a sharp and sleek look. Now I'm just going to take my flat brush and blend the concealer by dragging it in a downward motion towards my eyelid. Now what I'm doing is taking the remainder of that concealer that's left on my brush and gently cleaning up the top of my brow. And to add a little contour to my brows, I'm just taking some bronzer and dragging it along the sides from my brow down to my nose. And that is it, guys. Here's the final look. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification button. And I'll see you next time. Bye!